think I've got all the packaging off. Got the seat. Do that in a bit. I've left that on there for the lights. Handlebars. Ah, that's attached. On video it said it wasn't. On the Jorvick video on their site, you had to, that wasn't attached. So I'll have to work that out. Yeah. Okay, inside, probably tools and instructions. Battery as well then. Look. What we got here? Toolbox. Touch-up pen. Toolbox. More zip ties for the fender. Put that there. Basket. That comes out. Leave this out for a minute. Toolbox. Pedals. Nuts. Extra screws. Toolkit. Instructions. A spoke key. That one. Some zip ties and a bolt there. Charger. Battery charger. Keep that safe. Big basket. Down here, a silver chain, not a black one. Gets black when it gets dirty. So we've got the differential, drives the wheels. Got the pedals to put on, seat, handlebars, and the wheel. Chunky tyres. I'll check the pressure on those. And disc brakes. Sun's there, isn't it? Big battery. Power. Charger. USB there. Got to look at how I remove that. Oh, with the key. You have to use a key. But yeah. First thing then is the handlebars. So let's have a look at that. So I'm going to put the handlebars on. So in the toolkit I need the Allen key that fits this. No, this one. Green one. No. Yep. Well, these sunshines come out. It's warmer. Cold earlier on. Oh, right, now let's have a look. So this wants to go up there, like that. That wants to, right, won't slot in with that on, so you've got to take it all off. Pop that down a minute. got the carpet down as well to protect things while you're working. That on there, and then I think when that's on, you have to adjust this for that. So that'll line that back up now. Hold it on. It would be easier with 2 people, but you can manage, I think. Just got to enjoy putting this assembly. I've looked at the video on the Jorvick site and it looks straightforward enough. Wrong one. These are the 4 Allen keys screws that you have to tighten up for the handlebars. You can see the position hopefully. Line it up, tighten it up. The next thing is the wheel, that you have to take this plate off. A 17 spanner, not easy to get in, but it's not tight. Yep, there it's coming off. Save that. We have to get this plate off so we can get the wheel on. Save that. Save that spanner. Let's have a look. Is that coming off? No. Hold that out of the way. That should come off now. Yep. So, a washer. I don't know if I need that bulb. We'll see. That's on there. I'll put that to one side. Got another cable fastener, so I've got to cut that off. And then we'll have a go at the wheel. It's fairly heavy, and this is for the disc brakes, which is here, so it has to go that way. So make sure you get that on the right side. Right, I'll cut that off. When you cut that cable tie, this is the cable that attaches to your controls. So be careful that you don't cut into it. I've loosened it to make a space. What are you doing? Hello. Okay. 2 people would make this easier. You've now got to lift this to get down, line it up with the disc and get it on the forks. Let's have a look. I'll move these cushions. So the washer separate, left, slide in. Oh, now forgot something. Inside the disc brake, there's a protect. You've got to remove this. Have a look. This separates the pads, so you have to remove this. Now I remember that from watching the video. Doesn't mention that in the instructions, not that I can see.